On behalf of Bethel Mission School, Godda, here's wishing all my dear students, teachers, parents, and my fellow citizens a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is a day to celebrate and remember the freedom struggles and the countless sacrifices that our freedom fighters made to make India independent from the British rule. With freedom comes great responsibility. Freedom has to pay a great price, which is responsibility. So, how can we be responsible? We can be responsible by caring for the poor, for the downtrodden, for caring for our environment, for caring for our nature, for learning and imparting, utilizing every opportunity to spread knowledge and awareness. Freedom demands maturity, accountability, stewardship, wisdom, character, and responsibility. A responsibility which can be met by an individual. Responsibility does not mean violating the laws. It means to enjoy freedom by being mature, by taking responsibility, by improvising, multiplying, increasing, and growing in every field. Not to live in the past, but looking forward towards a bright future by having a positive perspective of life. This pandemic has given us many heroes. A salute to all the health workers who have been tirelessly working hard in risking their lives for saving others' lives. A salute to our brave soldiers who have been ensuring security at our borders. A salute to our farmers who have been ensuring food security throughout the lockdown. A salute to our scientists who have been working hard for decoding the coronavirus and succeeded in developing the vaccine in record time, which has added a glorious chapter of contribution to the well-being of humanity. A salute to our teachers who have been engaging our students in online classes. We are proud for the heroic response they have shown to this unprecedented crisis for which no one was prepared. COVID-19 has taught us many life lessons. It has shown us how integral our schools are and intertwined with the rest of the society. It has taught us that teachers, learners, and caregivers have been incredibly resilient. It has also taught us that teachers can never be taken for granted. It has also taught us that technology can be wonderful, but it can never replace the value of man. It has taught us the value and importance of health, well-being, and cleanliness. It has taught us decreasing pollution benefits us and the planet. It has also taught us how money is important and can be saved during tough times. It has taught us that the 20th century model of school must be updated to prioritize the human aspects of education. For this, we heartily welcome the NEP 2020, the National Education Policy, which stresses on tradition and technology. This policy promises to incubate the inner talent of the students and ignite their minds to face the challenges of life. I would like to take this opportunity to encourage each and every one of you to be a responsible citizen, because with greater freedom comes greater responsibility. I'd like to quote, "Freedom is not the right to do as you please, but the liberty to do as you ought, or that which is right." यूं ही नहीं मिली आज़ादी है दाम चुकाया वीरों ने, यूं ही नहीं मिली आज़ादी है दाम चुकाया वीरों ने, कुछ हंस कर चढ़े हैं फांसी पर, कुछ ने जख्म सहे शमशीरों के, यूं ही नहीं मिली आज़ादी है दाम चुकाया वीरों ने। जय हिंद, जय भारत।